the third episode of pre-Navratri celebrations. So in last episode you have learned 3 different counts of Garba, that is 4, 6 and 8. Now we are going to learn 2 steps of each 12 counts. In this also we will start each step with the right leg forward. 1, 2, 3, turn, 4, 5, 6, 7, turn, 8, 9, 10, 11, turn, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So in this, when you turn, you have to turn from in to out. So you have to turn from the left. So this 1, 2, 3, 4 is done, and then turn to the left side and come to the outside. So in circle, your face will be outside when you turn in and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now we will do with the music without count. Now we will learn 12 steps second count. In this also we will start with the right leg. 1, 2, 3, turn, 4, bend forward, clap, 5, and go back, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then 11 and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So now we will do the second 12 steps with the music. First I will teach with the counts, and then I will stop counting and I will move in the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So now we will do this 12 steps with count with music. So initially I will take with count 1 circle, and then later on I will do only with the music with the body movement. So let's begin. First and second. So first 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Second, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Without count. First one. Second. So in this third episode of pre-Navratri celebration, you have learned 12 steps of Garba. This basically done on the fast beat. So in Garba there are three types of speed in the beats: slow, medium and fast. So in this third episode, whatever you have learned, you can do it on the fast beats. So we have learned second episode of pre-Navratri celebration, 4, 6 and 10. And in this episode we have learned 12 steps. So I will do with the music all together in the circle. So we'll start with 4, 1, change to 6, change to 10, change to 12, 1. Change to 12, 2.
If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button, comment and share. Subscribe to this channel for more.